Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have two different job updates. So we shall quickly see one by one. So the first company, it is Tetcos of Campus Hiring. So we shall see the job details for that. So the job role or the job title, so it is for software developer, and the experience required, so it is for 0 to 1 years of experience, and the salary or the CTC, so 5 to 8 lakhs per annum, and the work location is Bangalore. So then coming to the eligibility criteria, so both like B graduates are eligible, so from computer science, computer science branch from IIT, BITS, NIT, IIT or other top universities, so they are eligible to apply. And the percentage criteria, it should be 80% and above in 10th and in 12th, so it should be 80% and above, and there is no particular restriction for any of the batch, so any batches are eligible to apply for this particular job role. So then coming to the skills that are needed for this particular job role, so you need to have good programming in C, as well as you need to have knowledge of data structures and algorithms, and it is good to have knowledge of various protocols, so wireless protocols, so it will be an added advantage. And apart from that, if you have prior knowledge or if you have worked on NetSim, so it's an added advantage for this particular job role. So these are the skills which is needed for this particular job. So coming to the selection process, so it's very simple. So there are only 3 rounds. So the first round, it's aptitude test, so second round will be the technical interview, and the last round will be the HR interview. So these are the 3 rounds included in the selection process. So coming to the application link, so Tetcos, it is through firstnaukri.com. so if you already have the account, you can directly log in and then you can just fill your application. So if you don't have the account, so you can just create an account, you can upload the latest resume and do mention the C programming and data structure skills as well as the protocols, and you can just apply for this particular job role. So the second company, it is Sony of Campus is hiring, so they are particularly hiring for internship. So the job profile, it's for data science intern, so those who has knowledge of data science or willing to start your career in data science, so it's really good opportunity for freshers. So you'll be hired as an intern and you'll be trained, and later you will be converted to full time. So the experience needed, so the current freshers, so they are eligible, and the salary or the CTC, so for intern they are providing up to 12 lakhs per annum, and that too it is based on the performance. And the job with the work location, so we have 2 options. The first is work from home as well as Bangalore. So those who want work from home, so they can opt for this, and the other one is Bangalore, so you can opt any of these 2 options. So coming to the eligibility criteria, so it is for both bachelor's as well as master's degree, and those who has done PhD, so they can also apply for this particular job role. So there is no particular restriction with the streams, so anyone can apply. So who has who want to start your career in data science, so who are willing to have experience, to gain experience with data science, so you can just apply for this job role. And the batch, so recent batches are eligible to apply for this particular job role. So the tech stack needed for this is you need to have basic knowledge on Python programming, so knowledge on PyTorch, then TensorFlow, then scikit-learn, and it is good to have knowledge of the cloud technologies like AWS, storage services S3, then Athena or SQL, and EC2 instances. So you need to have knowledge of all this, and few deep learning models, if you have basic knowledge on AI and deep learning models, so or some of the machine learning algorithms, so if you have done projects, so it will be good, you can add those everything in the resume. So this is all about that. To apply for this, it is through LinkedIn, so everyone will have your LinkedIn account. You can directly log in with your LinkedIn account and you can just click on easy apply. So you can just edit your resume and add the skills they have mentioned, like Python programming, everything, and you can just submit the application form. So based on that, you'll get the mail for the further rounds, so everything. So the link for both of these job roles, it will be provided in the description. You can quickly go and apply for these job roles. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.